Hi, I'm Mike with House on the Mend. 2 years ago, I reviewed this Litheli 13-inch U20 cordless brushless mower. It's fantastic, although at 13 inches, I did recommend in that video that it be used for very small yards. Now, in the 2 years since I reviewed this product, they have come out with two more sizes, the 16-inch and the 18-inch mower, both utilizing the same very innovative U20 battery. So the thing I love about this battery is not only does it power all of their power tools and gardening tools, but on the back of it, as you can see in this picture, they have, some of them have a USB as well as USB-C or just a USB-C port. You charge it in the USB-C port, but you can also use it to charge your electronic devices, just like any kind of battery pack for traveling. Fantastic. So let's go over some of these similarities. First of all, if you haven't watched my original video on this mower, I would recommend you do that. There's a link for it right up in the upper right-hand corner. In that, I go through the complete charging process for the batteries, the assembly process. So I'm not going to recreate that because the first similarity I want to go over is that the assembly process is almost exactly the same as this one. Basically, when it comes out of the package, it looks like this, and all you have to do is put this first set of bars up, put them into place with the quick connects, and then connect the upper part of the bar together with the same quick connects. What's nice about those is you can pop those off and you can fold the handlebar down for easier storage. The second similarity is they all come with a catch bag for the grass. That is not an additional feature, thankfully. They all have a nice little safety feature up here where you press a button first and then you push down on this handle. If at any moment you let go of that handle, say if you fall or anything else happens, the mower will stop. Another similarity is battery life. It's excellent on this mower right here as it is with all of the other tools I have reviewed. Now let's talk about some of the improvements they've made. First and foremost, this 13-inch mower had two ports inside of it, but only one was actually for the battery. The other one is just to store another battery, and you could switch them if you ran it out. These successive mowers, the 16-inch and 18-inch, have two actual battery ports, meaning they're drawing from two batteries at the same time. That doesn't increase power in my testing, but what it does increase is the battery life. Plus, when you're done, you can switch right over to the weed whacker or the blower, both of which utilize dual batteries. Another improvement would be the way you raise and lower the cutting height. So on the original 13-inch, there is a little plastic handle on the side that's underneath the actual bars that you use to push it, and it's a little tough to get to, but no big deal. Well, they've made a huge improvement. Now they have this more standardized version of this hardy metal bracket that raises and lowers the mower quite easily. Now, I would love to tell you that that was the same for this mower. However, I got it right out of the box and it doesn't work. It's jammed. Nothing. Now, I've contacted Litheli and I don't think I'll have any problem getting a replacement for that one, but I did want to point that out because I wasn't even able to use it. It came shipped in its lowest setting and I wasn't about to go scalping my lawn with a mower that I couldn't adjust. Another enhancement is on the bag itself. There is this little flap and it opens just like this when the bag is empty. As the bag fills up, less air is coming through the ejection port and thus that little plate goes down, indicating that your bag is getting full. Pretty clever. All of the mowers have this very handy little carrying handle right up over the top. It feels very robust. These mowers without the batteries in them are not very heavy. They're easily portable around the yard if you need to get them into place. The new mowers also come with this attachment. If you're going to use a mulching blade, you can remove the bag You click this into the ejection port and it will then stop anything from coming out the back, and everything will continue to be mulched inside the mower. So I thought that was a nice attachment. If you like to use mulching blades, that's a pretty cool feature. Now, a couple of things I did notice. Number one, on both the 16-inch as well as the 18-inch mowers, the blade is about 1 inch shorter than the claimed measurement. And as a data point, I did notice this happened today. There we go. Just a little too long. Well, that's the first time one of my Litheli mowers has ever cut out due to the grass length, but in the mower's defense, I was on position 5 out of 6 in height, and we had had 3 or 4 days of just downpour rain, so I've had to let everything dry out for a few more days, and thus the grass is way overgrown. So by going up to the 6th position, the top position in the height, and then just cutting a half a row at a time, basically lining up with the center mark, it's doing fine, and I hopefully won't have to wait this long to cut again. Now, just like with all the previous Litheli tools, they did send me these 2 tools for free for my review, but I'm neither paid nor sponsored, and my observations and criticisms are my own. So if you found this video helpful, will you please give it a thumbs up? It's really helpful to the channel. Also, please consider subscribing. I've got a lot of tool videos on a playlist that I think you would find helpful, and we've got many more of those to come. I'll leave a link for Litheli's website as well as these 3 mowers for you to check out. Full disclosure, those will be Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them and do end up making any purchase, it won't cost you a thing, but I do get a small reward at the end of the month. Until our next video on the granddaddy of them all, their 18.5-inch mower, thank you for watching. Hey, you guys are invading my shot.